Let's move to the another concept of constructors. First of all, you should know that what is a constructor. As we do in C language, it's very simple to initialize value of any variable in C. Suppose I have a variable int I is equal to 10. I can give value directly a is equal to 10. This is called initialization. Or if I create another variable b, I can assign the value 5. But what if I want to initialize values of an object or class members? How to do it? That is done by using constructors. Okay. As we have created two data members a and b, we cannot assign values over here. Int a is equal to 0, comma b is equal to 0. We cannot do initialization over here because every object has its own values. So we cannot do default assignment over here. And for that, we use constructors. Constructors are basically initializers of objects or data members of a class. So let's understand through a program. There are three types of constructors. First of all, they are used for initialization of data members of a class. That is its purpose, and they can be divided into three categories: default constructor, parameterized constructor, and the third one is copy constructor. There are three types, and now we'll study all these three types through programming illustration: default, parameterized, and copy constructor. We have created a class number with two data members a and b. In the public section, we have created a constructor number. There are certain properties of a constructor. It should be in the public section. Constructor should be defined in the public section of the class. Second, its name is same as class name. As we have class name number, so we'll give the constructor name number. Third, it does not have any return type. Does not have any return type as in other functions. See, there is a function display, it is having return type void. But in constructor, there is no return type. You don't need to write anything in its return type. Okay, so these are the basic, you can say, characteristics or conditions of a constructor. So its name is same as class name number, and then in braces, we'll give the values of a and b. A is 30, b is 40. And in the display function, we'll just going to display the value of a and b. And then we have closed the class. And in the main section, we create an object number n. See, by just creating the object, this constructor will be called automatically. This is called default constructor. Whenever we create an object, default constructor is called automatically. Therefore, the value of a will be set as 30 and 40 by default. And then if I want to check the value, then I'll call the display function n.display. Then a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 40 will be displayed. And then it will come back and return 1 will be executed. So let's see the output of this program. Compile and run. Let me show you output screen. See, the output is a is equal to 30 and b is equal to 40. The default values of a and b are set as 30 and 40. So this is default constructor. It's very simple to understand.